Hey, welcome back to the Kimlud channel. We're excited to jump into a new topic today.
You think you've seen big machines before? Think again, because in China, big means monumental. Their construction giants don't just build roads and bridges, they reshape mountains, carve tunnels beneath oceans, and even create new islands out of thin air. These mechanical titans are rewriting what's possible for human engineering, and once you see what they can do, you'll never look at construction the same way again. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, because what you're about to see will quite literally move the earth. A nation of giants. China today looks like a nation under constant reinvention. Travel across it, and you'll see endless highways, colossal bridges, and cities that seem to appear overnight. But what's driving this transformation isn't just manpower, it's machinery. Machines so massive and advanced, they make the rest of the world's tools look almost outdated. From land to sea to the underground, China has unleashed a fleet of mechanical beasts built to conquer every kind of terrain. The four-arm tunnel titan. Deep beneath the surface, one such marvel is the four-boom face drilling rig, designed by companies like Boldest and Tian. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Four massive arms working in unison, drilling through solid rock faster than any traditional machine could dream of. Instead of one drill head, this rig has four, each moving with perfect precision. It uses a process called blast hole drilling, where holes are made, filled with explosives, and blasted to break through tunnels layer by layer. But what makes it truly jaw-dropping is its automation. Once programmed, the machine drills entire sections almost on its own, while the operator merely supervises. There's even a version designed to hang vertically for deep mine shafts, turning the rig into a robotic spider that digs into the earth from above. The Island Maker. What about the ocean? Enter the MV Tian, nicknamed the Island Maker. At first glance, it looks like a gigantic ship, but this vessel's true purpose is extraordinary. It doesn't sail to islands, it builds them. With a massive cutter head attached to an extended arm, the Island Maker digs up sand from the seabed, sucks it up through a colossal pump, and discharges it miles away to form brand new land. The Colossus crane, XCMG 88000. Of course, no list of mega machines is complete without a record-breaking crane. Meet the XCMG 8800, the world's largest self-propelled crawler crane. Standing 108 meters tall and weighing 5,400 tons, this steel titan can lift up to 4,500 tons. That's more than 30 Boeing 747s combined. It's so big, it has to be split into two massive parts, one for the lifting apparatus and one for its 2,900-ton counterweight. Inside the control cabin, which is as spacious as a small office, the operator commands one of the most powerful lifting systems ever built. For mega projects like nuclear plants, refineries, or sky-high bridges, the XCMG 88,000 is the muscle that makes it happen. The underground giant, CREC 1459-TBM. Going back underground, China's CREC 1459, Megaslurry TBM, a tunnel-boring machine, is another world-class engineering feat. With a diameter of 15.7 meters, it's one of the largest in existence. Built by China Railway Engineering Equipment Group, it's currently working in Australia's Western Harbour Tunnel. This intelligent TBM comes equipped with sensors that monitor cutter wear and a robotic arm that replaces blades automatically. No human risk, no downtime. Its onboard data system maps every inch of the dig, making it one of the smartest drills on Earth. Recycling roads with the XCMG Cold Recycler. China isn't just building, it's rebuilding smartly. The XCMG Road Cold Recycling Machine gives old roads new life in a single pass. It grinds up old asphalt, crushes it, mixes in fresh binding materials like lime or cement, and lays it back down, all in one go. This approach is cheaper, faster, and far greener than starting from scratch. It's one of the most sustainable steps China has taken toward eco-friendly infrastructure, showing that efficiency and environmental care can go hand in hand. The Clay Emperor and beyond. Then there's the Clay Emperor, an amphibious dredger that floats, drives, and digs all at once. Built by Shandong Hongghai dredging equipment, this multi-purpose marvel can switch between 5 different roles, from suction dredging to weed cutting, pile driving, hammering, and backhoe dredging. It's a floating workhorse that can navigate shallow waters all by itself. Meanwhile, machines like the SR235W10 rotary drilling rig dig 223 feet deep for building foundations quietly and efficiently, even in crowded cities. And the hydraulic static pile driver takes it a step further, pressing entire pillars into the ground using raw hydraulic power without needing to dig first. Sky-high power, Zoomlion tower crane. Let's look up again. Way up. At the Zoomlion R20720, the world's tallest and most powerful tower crane. It can lift 720 tons to a height of 300 feet. That's like hoisting 500 cars to the top of a 137-story skyscraper. It's modular, so this skyscraper-sized crane can be disassembled, moved, and reassembled wherever it's needed. Titans of industry, XDE 440 and Hongghai crane. When it comes to sheer hauling power, nothing rivals the XDE 440, a dump truck that weighs 260 tons and carries 400 tons of material in one go. It's powered by a diesel-electric drive system, built for low-speed torque and rough terrain. An absolute monster of mining efficiency. But the ultimate heavyweight champion is the Hongghai gantry crane, standing 460 feet tall and able to lift a staggering 22,000 tons. That's nearly the weight of 2 Eiffel Towers. Built on rails, it moves massive structures with surgical precision and is expected to play a crucial role in China's offshore megaprojects. From drilling machines that think for themselves to cranes that can lift cities, China's construction technology has become the envy of the world. These machines don't just build infrastructure, they build the future. Each one is a symbol of ambition, precision, and pure human ingenuity on a scale the world has never seen before. So which of these mechanical monsters amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories of human engineering and innovation. Because in China, the future isn't coming. It's already here.
Thank you for tuning in. You've been watching Kimlud Media.